How to recover lost Venmo funds. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you recover lost Venmo funds. So what you want to do is basically to recover lost Venmo funds, what you want to do is, first thing first, immediately you want to check your transaction history for unauthorized activity. So you could simply go to venmo.com, sign in, and use forgot password with a potential email. If that fails, contact Venmo support to verify your identity, which may require submitting documents to prove ownership as well. And if your account is frozen due to failed payment, you can resolve it by paying the balance by the app or at venmo.com/recover. If you send money to a wrong person, first thing, try contacting them directly through the app to request a refund. If they do not agree to it, you can directly get help from support team. Let them know about it. Make sure to save all the transaction histories and upload all the necessary or relevant details as well. And if funds were stolen, you can contact Venmo support immediately to report funds for fraud as well. And if you fail to access your account for a long period, fund may be sent to your state as abandoned property, requiring a claim through a state's treasurer office as well. And this is how you're supposed to recover a lost Venmo funds. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.